Hi, this is Bee from Sorcery Soap and now Hocus Pocus Crafts, and I wanted you to see a little of the chaos that I'm about to start. So these are the prints that I just made a video on some of this stuff, so it's a lot. So anyway, I'm so pleased with this wall. I can't even, I'm so happy with it. And then this is a new piece of furniture since we moved, and I'm pretty happy with this, but I wanted you to see, look at that. That's how I'm storing the stamps. I have so many, it's crazy. And I wanted you to see, because we're getting ready to give some of these away. And it just goes on and on. I've created all these stamps. Like, I don't even know how many. It's like 200 or something, different designs. Here, let's look in here. This one here, oof. That is the Poppy Bunch. And I made, I'll put a little picture in. The gnomes I love. There's just so many in here. Let me show you. This one, well, that one for sure. I love that. My cow, he's such a smiley little cow. Melted Candle. Murder of Ravens. This right here, that one is mine. This is Santa's address. So when you stamp it, you can make a little soap that has Santa's address. Empty one. Let's see here. Those are the whimsical ones I have in there. Look at that. This one, this is the magic drawer right here. This, I love my cat bat. And then let's see what else is in here. All the bubbles, the different bubbles. These can be stamped on the soap, or you could use it and stamp it on the side. I've found so much use for these, it's not even funny. I can just put a couple stars on a soap and done. This one, I was really pleased with that guy. It's called the Soap Witch. Let's see what else we have. Oh, another one, another raven. Collection of other things. Here's the Halloween ones. This right here. I gave my bats away. There's bats that go on the outside of here, so you can stamp this and then you stamp the bats on the outside. And so I gave those away. I gotta order more. And there's a gravestone, and then the bat moon, and then the monsters. These are all the monsters. And then there's this little unique kitty here that kind of goes along with this. And this guy, I wasn't sure, but I think he's kind of cool. These guys, holy cats. Just goes on. See, these bunnies, I love this bunny here. There's a lot of movement in it. And then this guy, it's just awesome. So you can see the difference. Like, this one is a much heavier solid line, and this is a more delicate line. But in order to get the movement and the curiosity and all the interest in it. The lines need to be a little bit softer. And this one's one of my favorite ones because of the just absolute simplicity and the complexity of it together. I call it the dog back. Anybody that knows about dogs knows that, like, sometimes you sneak up on a dog and it just gives you that look. And then I have a variety of cats because why not? And then this goofy bunny. And then these. This is one of my favorites too. Every one of them has a use. And these are all the Christmas ones. I don't want to pull the drawer out too much. There's a snow globe. I made that last year. There's all these abstract and sort of fun Christmas trees. I've got a video on those. And there's an angel. And every one of these takes time. This has been really useful. These Santa stamp footprints. That's super useful. I still need to make a soap of that. And this guy, I love him. I made a lot of soaps with him. And he's one of my favorite too. Just a silly little sweet reindeer. You can't really, let's see. I just love him so much. I drew him a long, long time ago. And then I drew him because I was at a corporate job. And I don't know, I was just kind of doodling because I had to do customer service. And so I was doodling him and I saved him. I stuck him in a file. And I'm really glad I did because I just sat down and doodled him one day and then refined him, and turned him into a stamp. And there's a Peppermint Gnome. Let's see here. Yep. Nope. And the rest of that, this is cards and artwork, and yeah, I'm working on that guy. So anyway, I wanted to show you what was going on with this, and here's my new space. I think it looks good. I'm happy with it. I've got lots of little notes. And I hope you're doing well, and I just wanted to touch base and let you know. So we're going to open the doors on the stamps. If you are inclined for a stamp at any time, and there's a ton of choices. So, okay, thanks for taking a look, and have a great day, and I hope you find some inspiration somewhere.